Welcome to another session of Unboxing Hiver. Today, we're going to take a look at Hiver Automations and, how they basically keep your workflows moving without all that manual effort. So, support teams deal with, hundreds of conversations every day, right? Assigning owners, routing stuff to the right queue, sending reminders, chasing escalations. It all adds up. Hiver Automations kind of takes that grunt work off your plate so your team can focus on actually resolving issues instead of managing them. All right, so from your shared inbox, just open Automations. You'll see that you can either start with a template or build one from scratch. Templates are great when you don't want to overthink it. You'll find things like sentiment-based actions. So if the tone turns negative, it can automatically escalate or notify someone. Or you can assign by sender, recipient, subject, skills, or even shift timing. There's tagging rules too, like based on sender or subject, and timed auto-replies when a conversation's been sitting idle for too long. Now let's build one from scratch. So first, you pick a trigger, like when a new conversation comes in, or an SLA's at risk, or when a tag or sentiment's added by Hiver AI. Then you just add your conditions and actions in any order, as many times as you need. Conditions decide when it runs, and actions decide what happens next. Say you want to route new conversations instantly. You can use the subject or sender as conditions, or even tags to make sure they go to the right team and get the right priority. Keeps triage fast and, consistent, even during crazy spikes in volume. Oh, and if you ever find emails getting stuck in someone's personal inbox, don't worry, you can use the Add Individual Emails to Shared Inbox action, so critical stuff lands where everyone can see it and take ownership. Now, if you're dealing with more structured data, like accounts, shipments, or SKUs, that's where custom objects come in. You can match emails to those fields and use them in your conditions or actions to personalize how you handle things. Need to speed up responses? You can configure an autoresponder or just use send a reply to handle routine stuff like FAQs, order updates, policy clarifications, so customers hear back instantly, even outside business hours. And yeah, staying on top of SLAs, super important. You can create rules that automatically escalate when an SLA is breached, when sentiment turns negative, or when a low CSAT rating comes in. That way managers get notified, priorities get bumped, or tickets get reassigned, all without you doing a thing. For balancing workload, Automations has your back there too. You can assign conversations among agents based on skills, availability, round robin, or even shift timing. So the right person picks it up and, customers get faster resolutions. To keep things tidy, you can set up automations based on time passed, date, day, or even custom field rules. There's this wait till condition too, super handy for scheduling reminders on pending conversations or auto-closing those thank you or non-actionable emails. And if you want to take it up a notch, there's AI Extract. Just train Hiver with a few examples, like invoice IDs or order numbers. It'll start capturing those values automatically from new emails. You can even pin them as notes and @mention teammates so they can act on it quickly. Basically, you can chain all these conditions and actions to match your exact workflow. Route, assign, enrich, reply, escalate, remind, close, everything, all in one flow. Once it's running, you can check the activity panel to see what happened. It gives you a full log of every action Automations took, so you can confirm things worked or, troubleshoot if something didn't. And as you build, there's this automation summary that updates automatically, kind of like your quick view of triggers, conditions, and actions, so you can review everything at a glance. So yeah, that's Hiver Automations. It helps you automate smarter, respond faster, and just deliver better service at scale. Go ahead, try one of the templates, or build your first workflow from scratch. You'll be amazed how much time it saves. Thanks for watching.